In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to use the data validation criteria, VLOOKUP table, and the choose function. For this exercise, I put in the data for flower arrangement, cost, and the discount code. The first step I need to do is to put the data validation criteria in cells B4 through B11 so that only decimal numbers between 20 and 99.99 can be entered. To do this, I have to select the cells and then go to Data, then Data Validation. I have to select the options Decimal, Between, and put in 20 as the minimum number and 99.99 for the maximum number. As you can see, I can't put the numbers such as 10, 20, or 30 because it's not a decimal. The next thing I have to do is to find the selling price of the flower arrangements. For this, I need to make a VLOOKUP table. The VLOOKUP function finds the largest number in the first column of the range, which is less than or equal to the value selected, and then returns the value stored in the column specified. For this example, I'm going to make a VLOOKUP table that is made up of two columns, which contains the criteria range, which is the cost, and then the returning value, which is the markup percentage. The first column of the VLOOKUP table should only have the minimum number of the criteria range. For example, if the criteria range is $0 to $25, then the amount 0 should only be put in. For the second column, however, more than one word can be put in. In this example, it's 35%. Then I put in the rest of the ranges and the markup percentages. I am then going to show you what would happen if I did not put the VLOOKUP table correctly. For example, if I put 0 to 25 on the first cell on the first column of the range, then it gives you the error value. This is why it's important to type the VLOOKUP table properly. Next, I label the table markup so that it's easier for me to select them instead of clicking and dragging the cells. First, I select the cells, excluding the headers. Then I go to where the cell reference name is and I type in markup. To calculate the selling price, I have to multiply the markup percentage with the cost and add that to the total cost. My formula is going to be equals B4 multiplied by VLOOKUP, parentheses, B4, comma, markup, comma, 2, close parentheses, plus B4. Next, I have to calculate the discount code. To find the discount price, I have to multiply the selling price by the appropriate percentage and then subtract it from the selling price. If the discount code is 1, then its percentage is 20%. If the discount code is 2, then the percentage is 15%. If the discount code is 3, then the percentage is 10%. If the discount code is 4, then the percentage is 5%. The formula I'm going to use is going to be equals D4 minus choose parentheses C4, comma, 20%, comma, 15%, comma, 10%, comma, 5%. After that, I select all of the cells and make them into a table. To do this, I select the cells and go to Insert then Table. Then I add a column table to the right. Next, I have to calculate the savings. To do this, I put in the formula equals D4 minus E4. I can filter the table so that only discount codes show by clicking the down arrow in the discount code column. This shows that you can easily filter information on an Excel worksheet instead of going through all of the information manually. Last, I have to finish the Excel worksheet by putting my name in the header and the date in the footer. To do this, I go to Insert then Header and Footer. Next, I have to change the page orientation to landscape. To do this, I go to Page Layout, then go to Orientation, and then Landscape. And that is how you use the choose function and the VLOOKUP formula.